G'day mates, welcome to a new thing I am calling Car of the Week. 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 It's time for Car of the Week. As always, be kind to each other. Don't forget. Be kind to each other. Don't forget. Be kind to each other, but don't forget. Be kind. To yourself. Catch you on the next one, guys.